The atmosphere is oh my god, oh my god. Where are your braids? Where are your braids? Where are your braids? Where is Atutu? Atutu for you come.
That is calling you.
Shit. Don't come close to my children. 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 We are going to take a family reunion picture. Peresu. We are going to take a family reunion.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Back in the day, without the weather.
Peresiki Chagaros. Fere Congo.
Wait, you don't understand Italian?
Black monkeys.
You have to do our
We need to do.
What if it is? What if let's take family reunion picture?
Yeah, let's take the picture.
Yes.
Hold your bread.
To
Make
mark
sure
that we came to
don't allow that bread to touch the floor. Devil will eat it. Snap us.
Look at this dude.
Give your salary document, we'll give you this and we'll pay yours. Yes. Okay. I will give you the paper.
You'll be mumu.
Okay.
Syracuse. Cybercrime. Cybercrime. Zerabugu, someone in Pishike. Jabrus.
Oh my goodness.
Want to sell my document, my blueprints? Still packing zero. My children.
What is that? What is all this now? What is all this? What is all this? You cannot cook.
Check a pico, see? Check a pico.
What is all this? What is all this? Fracture.
What happened? Where you guys were meeting?
You serve me beans and apple with stone.
What? Jesus. You want to bring down my kids? You want to bring down my kids? Go back to your mother's house. I'm so sorry. I need to go and apply new chef. Live here. You are a gold digger.
Live here now.
Go to the golf. The car. Go to the golf.
Look at this dude.
We are driving. We're driving to the US.
Wow, look at lizard. Let me snap it.
Yeah, we are taking a walk to feel the nature.
You like the live, right?
Yes.
You can post it on your Facebook.
Okay, daddy. Wow.
You can snap that cow shit. Yes.
Manure.
Yeah. In agriculture, we call it manure.
Okay.
Jesus!
Shakira se pica periqueco. Pasha. The atmosphere here is on 58 Celsius, American standard.
Uncle Submarine.
Who is
Uncle
this?
Submarine.
Who is this?
Uncle Submarine, thank God sir, I'm meeting for here. I beg. Help me. Please, my landlord just pursued me for house, I beg.
What a periqueco?
Please, can you update me?
Periqueco? You mean your landlord chased you out from your comfort zone?
Yes.
Don't you have parents?
I have parents.
Why can't they parent?
How long parents now?
Sure, can I pay to seek a cake, okay? Excuse us, unless I'm going to call your jewelry.
Please.
Do you used to take drugs?
Take a nigga. Excuse us, please.
Please, leave here
Don't
now.
affect my children. Excuse us. I updated you about us this app, Paylon Exchange.
You told me about it, but I can't recall. You know,
Fekerico too.
Oh.
Paylon Exchange, they have all country as a UK, US, all type of as and they are active. Just contact them with the number there.
I can send my family funds from the United States to Nigeria?
Yes, with
To them?
Paylon Exchange,
Wow,
yes.
I'll download the app now.
Yeah, you can send Merekifi is on $5 with Paylon Exchange.
Let's play Tico.
Live there. What's wrong with you?
What do they talk?
Careskepus.
Do don't have sense?
Oh my God.
You want to
Don't touch the black monkeys. How many times have I warned you don't to touch the black monkeys? You are going to have a contact.
Let me to call 911 for you.
Calm down. I'm
Go
sorry.
to your father's house,
Leave
please.
it.
This is the America zone. Meditate. Meditation time.
Feels good to be back.
Yeah, Canada feels good.
Lord Jesus. I'm the struggle.